So let's go ahead and type in URL. I mean, it makes sense to name it URL because we're taking a URL from the user. And go ahead and type in entry, and go ahead and type in left, and also go ahead and type in font equals, and let's see, what do we want the font to be? Let's make it just that, and let's see, what do we want the size to be? Let's make it 20, and let's have it to be bold. All right, that should be good. And what do we want the width to be? Let's see, let's get a little creative. Width, if I can type. Let's get a little bit creative. Let's make it 37, and let's make the background, or no, that's not the background. Let's make the thickness of it 8, and let's go ahead and also insert width equals 7. And let me just go ahead and pretty much pack it real quick, but I'm not going to use pack, I'm going to use grid, because grid pretty much allows you to put it in rows and columns, which is I think pretty awesome. Row equals 1 and column equals 1. And also we want to use something called sticky, and what this is going to allow us to do is pretty much stick it whenever we want to. Not whenever, wherever we want to. And go ahead and type in E plus S. And let's see, what do we have? Let's run that again. Oops, it gave us an error. Where is the error? Unknown option. All right, let's see. Insert width. Perhaps I spelled it wrong. Insert width. Let's see if that works. All right. Okay, I just spelled it wrong. And as you guys can see, now we have an entry right here. And this is the place where the user is going to input the data. In other words, where the user is going to input the URL, the YouTube URL. So let's just go ahead and continue implementing this program. And because we have a place where the user is going to input the URL, we also need a place where the user is going to input the path. Where do you want to store the video in your computer? That's what the path is. So let's just go ahead and do that. Actually, I can copy this line of code right here, paste it, and change this to path. And let's see, do I want it on the left? Yes, I do. This is good, this is good, this is good, this is good. And let's see, I can just also copy this and paste it right here and change this to path and change row 1 to row 2. And let's see what happens if we run that. And all right. So yes, we do have it. Now we have a first entry and a second entry. This is the place where the user is gonna pretty much enter the URL, and this is the place where the user is pretty much going to enter the path. All right, now that we have that, let's continue implementing the program.